Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my another video. It's me Sushant Paul in front of you, and right now I have come here. As you can see, it's very beautiful place. Both of side are water and water, and I'm walking on the way. I've come here actually for I love nature beauty. As you can see, this is so beautiful place, and there are so many trees over there, and there are so many paddy fields over there, as you can see. And yeah, I love nature and hope everyone love nature, because of everyone fall in love nature, right? So sometimes I go outside and I feel nature beauty, and that is why actually today I have come here. And today is Saturday, and today I wake up early in the morning, like I wake up 6 a.m. 6 a.m. yeah, like that. So after that I make two English speaking video, and nowadays I'm trying to speak English each and every single day. Each and every single day I try to make English speaking practice video. That is why I have to wake up early in the morning. And another thing is, early bed early rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. And that is the another reason why I wake up early in the morning. So everyone, I think you should wake up early in the morning. And if you go to bed late at night, then it's called night owl, right? And if you get up early in the morning, then it's called morning person. So you can say I'm a morning person, and every single day I try to wake up morning. And morning beauty, fresh air, I can feel fresh air in the morning, and yeah, really it's give me pleasure. And that is why, yeah. And if you are a late person, if you are a night owl, then I will suggest you just one day you can try it. You can try to wake up early in the morning, and then I think you will be get a wonderful beauty, and you will get pleasure like me, and you will get fresh air. So yeah, that's really beautiful. And if I say about right condition about my area, as you can see behind me, it's a big river, and it's called Kongshu River, and it's full of water, right? So nowadays it's raining a lot nowadays. Today's morning it's drizzling like that, and last night it was what should I say, cats and dogs, like that. So actually I'm not a good speaker, but I'm trying to speak in English. I'm trying to say something, I'm trying to describe everything like that. And if you are beginner, in that case I will suggest you can try like me, because of if you try, then you can do it. Everything is possible, nothing is impossible in this world, everything is possible, okay? So you have to try, you have to start, okay? And it's time, it's time, start from now, don't wait for tomorrow, okay? So that's it guys, I don't want it more longer, and goodbye, have a good day, and thank you for watching this video.